An update tonight in a case that sparked outrage in Fayette County. Timothy Vess Benton, a convicted sex offender, released to house arrest after serving only part of his 17-year sentence. He's back in court before a judge. Now, he was released to house arrest under community corrections and weeks later arrested again for a sex offender registration violation. The I-Team's Valerie Bell continues to lead our coverage here, tracking every new development in the case that's shaken Fayette County. Valerie, with local judges stepping aside, this hearing moved to Tuscaloosa. What happened inside the courtroom today?
Ashanti District Judge James Gentry found probable cause, sending Timothy Vess Benton's case to a grand jury. One of the victim's fathers says today felt like a small victory.
It's a start. They could have let him walk. They didn't. It was a small win.
Thursday's hearing centered on Timothy Vess Benton's Sex Offender Registration and Notification Act violation. A Fayette County Sheriff's deputy was among 3 witnesses to testify. The deputy telling the judge Benton did not have a valid ID when registering as a sex offender and failed to obtain one within 14 business days. Benton's attorney argued over the paperwork and whether his client fully understood the requirements. But in the end, the judge ruled the case will move forward to a grand jury.
It kind of floored me at how quick he done it. I mean, like he knew that he was doing it, so it was a good feeling just hearing him say that this going forward, that everybody did everything right.
After the hearing, silence from Timothy Vess Benton. Y'all have any comment on today's hearing?
No comment.
His attorney, James Stanridge, saying the same. I just wanted to see if you had any comment.
No, thank you.
No comment?
No, ma'am.
Moving forward, anything?
No, ma'am. We're good. We don't comment. Thank you.
The Alabama Attorney General's office is now prosecuting the case after Fayette County District Attorney Andy Hanlon recused himself. Assistant Attorney General Lee Gwathney led questioning for the state. One victim's father, Christopher Key, says this time communication has been consistent.
Anytime anything happens, they're texting me, they're calling me. They know my work schedule, so they know not to call me during the day because I work out shift. So, I mean, we've got to know each other pretty well.
Sitting beside Key in court, Wanda Miller, Executive Director of Vocal, Victims of Crime and Leniency.
And we intend to be with them through this process. We feel good about it, feel good about what happened today and the fact that the Attorney General's office has picked this case up, and hopefully this family will receive the justice that they deserve.
Miller was connected with Key after our I-Team report more than a month ago. She says she will make sure victims' families, like Key's, are heard in hopes of sparking change.
You know, our intention is to maybe learn something from this case about what we can do to stop this from happening again to another family, if there's any kind of legislation or things that need to be changed to make sure that families are just not continuously re-victimized over and over and over.
As for Key, he's waiting to see what the grand jury decides, hoping Benton is indicted and eventually sent back to state prison rather than remaining on house arrest.
Got to win for some of the victims. I mean, let's see. He was in prison, got let out 12 years early. Let's put him back where he belongs.
Now, we'll keep pressing for answers and tracking every development as this case moves forward. You can find our full investigative coverage right now at abc3340.com. Live in Tuscaloosa County, Valerie Bell, ABC 3340 I-Team.